At nagpapasalamat tayo sa Diyos sa biyaya ng araw na ito. And unang-una, I'd like to congratulate Carl and Manea in choosing to get married in church. Ang pag-ibig ay hindi lamang isang emosyon na nararamdaman, kundi isang desisyon na dapat panindigan. Manea, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband, Carl?
Yes, Father.
Carl, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife, Manea?
Yes, Father.
And now, together with God and with our loved ones, I promise to love you unconditionally and to take care of you like you always did to me. I can't promise you to be a perfect wife, but ang mapapromise ko lang sa'yo is ang ipagdasal ka palagi at mahalin ka ng buong buhay.
I vow to support you and serve you in any way I can. I vow to relieve your stress, maliit man or if punong-puno ka na. I vow to become your rock na pwede mong sandalan anytime. I vow to be faithful to you. I vow to work hard to build a marriage rooted in Christ and give the life you deserve.
Araw-araw ko ipagpapasalamat kay God na ikaw ang minahal ko at dumating ka sa buhay ko. I love you so much, love. See you in aisle. I love you always, Mana. Ikaw nagpadama sa akin kung paano mahalin ng totoo at maalagaan. Ikaw yung naging pahinga sa lahat ng mga pagod at ikaw ang naging tahanan kapag nakakaramdam ng lungkot.
You are so lovely, full of kindness and selfless. You help me become a better person.
Handle your life always with prayer. Every day, invite Jesus into your married life. Hindi lang ngayong araw na ito. The same manner that you have invited him today.
Hi, love. Parang kailan lang, sabi mo pa sa akin, ayoko muna mag-girlfriend. Tapos ngayon, ikakasal na tayo. Sobrang bilis ng panahon.
Hi, love. I stand before you full of gratitude. From the day we first talked because of a reto from our mutual friend, sa first coffee date natin nung pandemic, sa many staycations and travel natin nung naging tayo, even the fights and arguments we had, misunderstandings and problems na we faced together, I am 120% sure pa rin na you are the one I'm going to marry, and I will be by your side forever.
Yeah!
sila dapat yan eh.
Sabi ko nga kay Kal, dalian mo, pwede ba? Kainin mo na to.
Yan ang sasabihin. You know, gusto niya na po ako ipamigay.
Dito ka sa piling ko, dito ka lang, dito ka lang.
Dati akala ko tatanda na akong dalaga dahil sa mga failed relationship ko. Pero nung nakilala kita, bigla ko napakanta ng naniniwala na pala ako sa forever. Kidding aside, ikaw
Dito ka lang, o aking tahanan. We're in a gentle power that could never be contained. Moving softly, like the rain that falls and dances on the plains. And every word that I
I thank God every day na nakilala kita. And to be with you.
to let you know, this love is the best thing I have found. Like a
I love you, love. Excited na ako bumuo ng pamilya at excited na ako sa mga bagong adventures, mga kainan na kakainan natin ngayon na mag-asawa na tayo dahil wala na song curfew. I will always love you. Araw-araw ikaw ang pipiliin at mamahalin ko. Araw-araw ko pagpapasalamat kay God na ikaw ang minahal ko at dumating ka sa buhay ko. I love you so much.
I vow that I will be with you in all days, good or bad. I vow that I will always love you. With all that I am and all that I have, I choose you today and always.
You're the best thing. You're the best thing I have found. You're the best thing. The best thing. You're the best thing I have found. This love is the